All right, what up, y'all? So, waiting on the car to pull up. Supposed to have a scat pack coming through. He got a wide body kit put on it recently, and we're supposed to be doing some wheel spacers. So, yeah, stick around for that. So we're here, 392. This has got the Vicrez, however you say it, wide body kit on it. So we are putting on these wheel spacers to kind of fix this gap that we got on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, get the wheels off, and hopefully I can just bolt these on and not have an issue with having to shave any studs or anything. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, yeah, so with the wheels straightened up, you can see how much of a gap, uh, well, how far out these fenders sit now. So yeah, definitely gonna look a lot better with the spacers on here. So it's time to go ahead and get this up in the air, and I'm gonna get the locks off first. Get the locks off, get this in the air, and yeah, we'll go ahead and get to putting these on. So far so good. Bolts up without having to shave any of the studs down because it sticks out far enough, so that's a plus. Just tighten them up like a star. So, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just so it'll press down even because it didn't go all the way down when I first kind of set it on there. But yeah, so once I get all of that tightened up, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up these calipers too. I just sprayed a little test hit on there, but I did these I think like 2 years ago or something. So some sort of way paint chipped or flaked or whatever, so I don't know what happened, but while I got it off, I'll go ahead and straighten that up for them, and then put these back on. Alright, so adapters are on front and back. Just went ahead and did a little touch-up paint on these calipers, so should be back good. Get us a minute or two to dry, spray some clear on it, and slap these wheels back on, start on the other side. Alright, so finished up on the driver's side. So just to give y'all a quick glimpse, this is the before, and this is the after. So much better, much better. So yeah, after and before. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin this car around and get this side done. All right, so just in case anybody was wondering, this is a 1.5-inch adapter. So if you're looking at getting the wide body kit and you're wondering what size adapters you need, it's 1.5. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these last two calipers touched up, and then get these bolted on, and we'll be out of here. Finished product, 1.5-inch spacers all the way around to go along with the Vicrez wide body kit, and it's a shaker. So yeah, 1.5 inches is pretty much perfect. Wheels sit out just enough, and these are actually 305 tires on the back, so 305 still by itself wasn't enough, so 1.5-inch spacers, perfect. So yeah, what y'all think about this one?